In today's digital age, artificial intelligence has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, including how we make money. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone looking to supplement your income, leveraging AI tools can provide lucrative opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the top 20 AI tools that can help you generate income in 2024. From automated trading platforms to content creation assistants, we'll cover a diverse range of AI applications and how you can harness their power to boost your financial success. Automated trading algorithms utilize AI-driven trading platforms like QuantConnect and AlgoTrader to automate your trading strategies and capitalize on market opportunities. Content creation assistants leverage tools such as WriteSonic and Copy.ai to generate high-quality written content for blogs, social media, and marketing materials effortlessly. Virtual customer service agents enhance your customer support operations with AI-powered chatbots like Zendesk and Intercom, which can handle inquiries and provide assistance 24/7. Personal finance management take control of your finances with AI-driven budgeting apps like Mint and YNAB, which analyze your spending habits and suggest savings strategies. AI-powered market research conduct thorough market research using tools such as Crayon and Trend Hunter, which analyze trends and consumer behavior to inform your business decisions. Automated email marketing increase your email marketing effectiveness with AI tools like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which optimize send times and personalize content for better engagement. Voice search optimization stay ahead of the curve by optimizing your content for voice search with tools like SEMrush and Answer the Public, which identify relevant keywords and phrases. AI-generated stock analysis make informed investment decisions with AI platforms like Atom Finance and Sentio, which provide comprehensive stock analysis and insights. Social media management streamline your social media efforts with AI tools such as Hootsuite and Buffer, which schedule posts, analyze performance, and suggest content ideas. Predictive analytics harness the power of predictive analytics tools like Google Analytics and IBM Watson Studio to anticipate market trends and customer behavior. Automated design platforms create stunning visual content with AI-driven design tools like Canva and Adobe Spark, which offer templates and intelligent design suggestions. AI-powered recruiting simplify your hiring process with platforms like HireVue and Talentify, which use AI to screen candidates, conduct interviews, and identify the best fits for your team. Speech recognition software transcribe audio files and improve productivity with speech recognition tools like Otter.ai and Dragon Naturally Speaking. AI-enhanced personalization deliver tailored user experiences with AI platforms like Dynamic Yield and Evergage, which analyze user data to customize content and recommendations. Automated data analysis analyze large datasets efficiently with AI tools such as Tableau and Power BI, which provide insights and visualizations to inform decision-making. AI-powered digital advertising optimize your ad campaigns with platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager, which use AI algorithms to target the right audience and maximize ROI. Natural language processing extract valuable insights from unstructured data using NLP tools like SPA-Sci and NLTK, which analyze text for sentiment, entities, and themes. AI-driven e-commerce solutions improve your online store's performance with AI tools like Shopify and Magento, which offer personalized recommendations and predictive analytics. Autonomous vehicles explore opportunities in the transportation industry with companies like Tesla and Waymo, which are pioneering self-driving technology for ride-sharing and logistics. AI-powered health tech invest in healthcare innovations with AI startups like Babylon Health and DeepMind Health, which are revolutionizing medical diagnostics and patient care. By incorporating these AI tools into your workflow, you can tap into new revenue streams, streamline operations, and stay ahead of the competition in 2024 and beyond. Unlock your financial potential with the power of artificial intelligence.